The missionary position is one of the most familiar and widely recognized sexual positions. It's a classic for a reason, offering a blend of simplicity and intimacy. One partner lies comfortably on their back, legs gently open, creating an inviting space. This position allows for a sense of openness and vulnerability, while the other partner is positioned on top, facing them directly. This face-to-face orientation encourages eye contact and connection. This setup is wonderfully simple and often serves as a natural starting point for intimacy and exploration. It's a position that many find comfortable and accessible. The bottom partner is supine, meaning they are lying flat on their back, face up, allowing them to relax and receive, while the top partner is positioned intimately between their legs, creating a close physical connection. It's commonly used and well-suited for penile vaginal intercourse, providing direct access and stimulation. But the missionary position is versatile and can be easily adapted for other intimate activities and forms of pleasure. Its inherent simplicity makes it easy to understand and execute, even without prior experience. And this simplicity makes it less intimidating, especially for those embarking on their first sexual experiences together. Many individuals find a sense of comfort and security in its familiarity, making it a go-to choice. And due to its prevalence, it's frequently depicted in various forms of media, reinforcing its familiarity. The missionary position, with its face-to-face connection, can be a solid foundation for building deeper intimacy and emotional closeness. Understanding these fundamental aspects of the missionary position helps you and your partner discover what variations and adjustments work best for both of you. Increased knowledge and open communication ultimately lead to better, more fulfilling and satisfying intimate experiences for everyone involved. The name missionary position has a debated origin, shrouded in a bit of mystery. Some say missionaries promoted it, popularizing it across different regions, but that's likely a myth, a misconception that has persisted over time. The position itself is ancient, predating many modern interpretations, appearing in historical texts within various cultures and societies, and art across many cultures, showcasing its widespread presence throughout human history. Its simplicity and natural alignment, the ease and comfort it provides, have made it popular worldwide for centuries, transcending geographical boundaries and cultural differences. Sometimes called vanilla, a term that often implies simplicity, it's often unfairly labeled as boring or too traditional, a stereotype that doesn't fully capture its potential. In reality, its popularity comes from a deeper understanding of its benefits reveals its comfort and versatility, making it a go-to choice for many. It's not tied to any one culture or era, it's a universal experience. Its presence is global and timeless, a constant throughout the ages. The position offers unique benefits, advantages that contribute to its lasting appeal, that keep it relevant, even as sexual trends evolve, adapting to changing preferences and desires. For many couples, it's a reliable, comforting choice, a familiar and trusted option. It provides a solid foundation for intimacy, fostering a sense of closeness and connection. Its enduring popularity speaks to its effectiveness, a testament to its ability to create satisfying experiences. Let's explore why it creates such strong closeness, delving into the reasons behind its intimate nature. Understanding this can help you make the most of it, unlocking its full potential for enhanced intimacy and connection. Face-to-face contact in the missionary position creates deep intimacy. You can see your partner's expressions, share smiles, and connect through eye contact. This visual connection, sometimes called soul gazing, helps partners feel truly seen. It builds trust, love, and vulnerability. The position allows for full-body contact, making kissing and caressing easy. Holding each other close increases feelings of safety and affection. Both partners can embrace, touch, and comfort one another. This physical closeness makes sex feel more loving and secure. The sense of being cherished and protected can deepen your bond. For many, it's a comforting, reassuring posture. These elements combine to make the missionary position uniquely intimate. That's why it remains a favorite for building emotional connection. Comfort is absolutely key. It sets the stage for relaxation and enjoyment. Creating a comfortable environment can significantly enhance the experience for both partners. Use pillows strategically, under the hips or back, to adjust angles, provide support, and ultimately increase pleasure. Experiment to find the perfect positioning that alleviates any strain. Don't be afraid to experiment with pillow placement. Try different arrangements to discover what feels best for both partners, ensuring maximum comfort and support. The bottom partner can change leg positions, wrapped around the top partner, creating a sense of closeness and intimacy. On shoulders bent or straight, each adjustment offers a unique sensation. To alter sensations and explore different levels of intimacy, each variation subtly changes depth, angle, and overall closeness. Communication is absolutely essential. Talk openly and honestly about what feels good, what intensifies pleasure, and equally important, what doesn't. Don't hesitate to speak up immediately if something feels uncomfortable or causes any pain. Ongoing consent and comfort are absolutely crucial for a positive and enjoyable experience for both individuals. Pacing matters significantly. Go slow and sensual at times to build a deeper connection, enhance anticipation, and savor each moment, or shift to a more energetic pace for heightened passion and excitement. The top partner often guides the rhythm initially, but the bottom partner can also actively participate in guiding and influencing the pace. Work together as a team to find a pace that satisfies both partners, ensuring mutual enjoyment and fulfillment. Adjust the pace and positioning as needed throughout the experience for continued mutual enjoyment and satisfaction. The missionary position, despite its traditional image, is surprisingly flexible. Explore different variations and modifications to discover what works best and feels most pleasurable for you as a couple. Always prioritize comfort and pleasure for both partners above all else, ensuring a mutually satisfying experience. Open and honest communication consistently leads to better and more fulfilling, intimate experiences. Small adjustments can make a big difference. The top partner can shift their weight or lean on elbows for comfort and closeness. Touch isn't limited to genitals. Explore each other's bodies with hands, caresses, and gentle touches. Both partners should be active participants, focusing on shared pleasure. The missionary position is about mutual enjoyment, not just one person's satisfaction. Try different variations to discover what feels best for you both. There's no single right way. Personalize the experience. Prioritize connection and communication. Trust your instincts and preferences. Keep exploring together. The goal is deeper intimacy and shared satisfaction. Continue to communicate and adapt as your needs evolve.